Hello, me hearties. Welcome to week 8. Capital W touches top and bottom line. That's what I'm putting in. K, which can be tricky. You can do your K's like that, or you can make them straight lines. Week 8. Okay, so me hearties, I thought I might give you some words that you might use because you're going to be doing some work this week with Cindy on maps. So let's look at some words. Map. M-A-P. Notice the P goes around, its tail goes through the line. And what will be on your map? Undoubtedly, well, possibly, could there be treasure? Capital, small t, but it's a larger letter, remember? And then all the others, we're aiming for that nice half size, okay? Treasure. Will you need a compass? C-O-M-P-A-S. S's are always kind of tricky there, okay? And it's very easy to make them too big. So watch your size. Try and start in the middle, in between the lines, and that'll help. Sometimes it may help you to actually put a little dot in the middle of a line, okay? Just so you know that you're going to start in the middle. So you find that middle spot like this. So you're doing X. X marks the spot. Okay, so if you know you tend to be too big, put little spots in like this, and that'll help you mark. Now I've put 5 in there, but if you know you need to practice, do more. Okay, now if you're using a compass, will you be heading north? Now I'm giving this a capital N, small O-R-T-H, okay? I'm giving north a capital because it's the name of a direction. South. Both these words end in th, north and south. East. Capital E touches the top and bottom line. A-S-T. And west. Capital W. So when you're making that W, make sure it's touching the top and bottom line. E-S-T. Notice that east and west both end in S-T, est. Okay. So what else may you come across? Possibly a swamp. P going through the line. Okay. What about a tree? Turn left at the tree. 2 E's. Okay, how many paces will you have to make? Paces, there's that S again, try and make it half size. Will you have to take a turn at the rock? Which way will you be heading? Left? Now watch that F, comes right down straight. T. Will you be heading right? Okay, watch the G going through the line. H, big. Go. Okay, and T. Will you be going left? Will you be going right? Will you be heading up the mountains? Now, if you need to, just stop this because I'm going a bit faster today. Okay, have a look at those letters. See which ones you did well. If you look at one and you can see that you did it really well, give it a tick. If you look at one and you go, oh my goodness, that's not quite right, don't be afraid to go back and do it. If you know you need to work on your handwriting, you should be doing it 2 or 3 times a week. So make that time. Have a great week, and I'll see you later, my hearties.